How to withdraw from expert option using Binance Pay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And if it's your very first time, you're most welcome. My name is Martha K. Mirembe. This is Atutaka Solutions, where we do tech tips. tech tips and business tips. And these videos are for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please seek legal financial advice from authorized bodies. Okay, now you come to your expert option app or your web browser and sign in. Then where you see finances, you click on withdraw. Okay, then there's a video where I used to deposit. I showed when I'm depositing, so you can check it out. I'll probably leave the link, okay, or I'll leave a card. And then you have to withdraw something like 95% or 98. I'm not very sure, but something like that. Like, just make sure if you want to withdraw 10, make sure it's your balance is more than 10. That's the real thing. Okay, then again, if you deposited using if you deposited using Visa card or whatever, the method you use to deposit is the method you use to withdraw, and the first withdrawal must be the same amount as that you deposited. Again, if you deposited like $10 using Binance Pay, your first withdrawal has to be $10 still using Binance Pay. Then the other methods, the other times you can use to withdraw, you can use other methods to withdraw. Okay, I hope that is clear. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. All right, then after that you click on new request, but before that you need to read through the comments, the information down below here, and you want to know what is the minimum, what are the things and stuff like that. If you have any questions, then you can contact the customer support. Okay, they're actually live like 24 hours a day, 24. They're live. You can just post your question and they'll help you. Okay, so Binance Pay ID, as you can see, by default it is Binance Pay because it's the method I used to deposit. So after you click on Other, now you just be checking in your Binance to see if the money has come. Usually it will be in your funding wallet, and yeah. So if you used, let me know if you want to see the video for USDT specifically. Okay, now you first come to Binance and check your Binance Pay ID. Yeah, you want to get your Binance Pay ID, you copy that and then take it to the other side in Binance, in expert option. Okay, before you click new request. So I thought I'd already excuse me, I thought I'd already pasted it. Okay, that's your Binance Pay ID, and after that you click on new request, then withdraw request successfully sent, and that's it. Okay, so you can go back to trading, or you click new request if you want to withdraw again if you want to withdraw again and stuff like that. Okay, and this is the history. As you can see, withdrawal was a deposit was by Binance Pay. Now withdraw also, your request is waiting for review. Withdrawal requests are processed within 2 working days. And remember not to remove this. You see, expert option, they don't deduct the money immediately. Okay, so if they say 2 working days, it is usually 24 hours or stuff like that, but you want to make sure that the money is still on your account. By the time they come to deduct it, if it's not there in your account, then definitely it will be an error. It will not be successful. Okay, so again here I was just showing you, like, my previous other, if you use Visa card, first withdrawal has to be by Visa card. Then now if you've deposited again with another method, use the most current method to withdraw. The most current method you used to deposit and the amount that you used to, the first method you used to deposit is the method you use to withdraw. Okay guys, don't be frustrated. Yeah, and the same amount. Then after that, then other withdrawals, any other profit made, you can withdraw using the other available methods. I hope that sits well, and let me know if you have any questions. And there's a link in the description of this video, or in the comments also, a link to my Telegram. You can come and contact me directly there in my inbox, and you let me know how I can help you if I can. You know, sharing is caring, and yes. So again, you just keep checking your Binance and see if the money has been deposited. Okay, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. I just want to see that I want to refresh and show you that and see if they've deducted or no. Okay, you see they don't deduct immediately. It's not like Cortex. Cortex immediately they deduct. Okay, but this one you have to be, guys, when you're trading you have to hold your emotions. For some of you just do things impulsive. Once you see their money, you don't settle your hands, don't settle. Please, behave, be disciplined. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.